Same here. Beautiful. And we put it right there. Into the butter. Has this garlic, rosemary, and thyme. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and grab it from here. Place it right over here. Nice. There we go. Check out these ribs. Delicious. Now I did put a little bit of honey and butter at the end for the last 15 minutes to get this nice little coat. Let's go ahead and get us a couple of these ribs. Let's go ahead and grab one. Just like that. Ooh, look at that. I want the whole thing. Just go like this. Let's place it right here. Let's go ahead and place it right inside. There we go. Just stuff it in there. This one as well. Just like that. Alright guys, let's grab this. Bring it right over here onto our bacon. Nice little bacon strips. Got a little bit of this barbecue sauce. Again, we're not going to use all the sauce, so you don't have to count the whole $2 on there. You're going to keep using this for other recipes, lunches, whatever you want. So we're going to wrap it up. And guess what? We got a bunch of ribs left, meaning with another $5 you can get at least 6 to 7 potatoes, if not more. Make a meal for minimum 6 people. Guys, that's lunch for 6 people for under 25 bucks. There you go. Let's go ahead and place it right here. Get that legs nice and tucked in. You grab a little bit of sauce, barbecue sauce of course. Come over here. Got the inside of the potato that we got rid of. And dip it in this beautiful butter here. And some herbs and garlic. Come back out, flip it so that it gets coated all the way around. There we go. Just place it right there. And let's brush our potatoes just like this. Baked potatoes with a beautiful, delicious surprise on the inside. Let's go ahead and cut that open. You can tell the bacon is nicely cooked. Just pop it open. What do we have in there? Ribs. Rib meat, no bone. Hot, hot. Let's add a little cheddar. Just like that. Mix that a little bit. Let it melt. Got a little bacon. Let's go with a little dollop of sour cream. Just like that. And top it off with some chives. Let's give it a mix. And we're going to give it a go. There we go.